Welcome to today's episode. We're talking about how EON Reality is helping to shape Arizona's future in semiconductor manufacturing. Through their cutting-edge XR and spatial AI technologies, EON Reality is accelerating workforce training and enabling a generation of highly skilled professionals to enter this critical industry. Arizona is on the verge of a semiconductor renaissance, but there's a major challenge: how to rapidly prepare workers for advanced manufacturing processes.
Exactly. Traditional methods of training can take months, sometimes years, for people to become proficient in the complex systems used in semiconductor manufacturing. But with EON Reality's XR platform, training is faster, more efficient, and highly interactive. Workers can now engage in 3D simulations and real-time problem solving, allowing them to practice in a virtual environment before ever touching a piece of hardware.
That's right. EON Reality is using spatial AI to bring digital twins of semiconductor systems into the training room. Smart glasses display digital overlays and step-by-step guidance, making it possible for workers to master the highly specialized tasks required in semiconductor production. And because this technology is scalable, Arizona can build a workforce of AI-ready professionals quickly.
And it's not just about training either. This is about creating a future-ready workforce that's equipped to handle not only today's manufacturing challenges, but also the evolving AI-driven industry. The future of semiconductor manufacturing in Arizona depends on the people, and EON Reality is providing the tools to ensure these workers have the skills and knowledge they need to succeed.
With EON Reality's XR platform, Arizona's semiconductor future is brighter than ever. They're closing the skills gap and creating opportunities for AI innovation that can be applied to industries around the world. The speed and accuracy with which workers can now be trained will make Arizona a global leader in semiconductor manufacturing.
Thank you for joining us on yet another deep dive. And remember, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep diving deep, everyone.